So for the FlexDay today, you guys are going to need to import your pictures and your video into either Windows Movie Maker if you have your normal computer, or a program called Video Editor if you have a loaner laptop. This video is going to go over how to use Movie Maker, but Video Editor is pretty much the same thing if you have it. Alright, so up on my screen right now, we're going to assume that this is your journal. And in your journal, you've got pictures, right? And these pictures are what you're going to need to be able to put into Movie Maker. So when you find your pictures, you have to get them back out of Google Drive. You can do those two different ways. You can right-click on the picture. You've got all your options here. You can copy and then paste it onto your desktop. But the easier way, honestly, is going to be to use your snipping tool and just re-snip your picture. So I'll call this Pick 1. It's on my desktop. You get all your pictures on there. Okay. Then you're going to come down here to your search bar and you're going to type in movie to get Movie Maker to come up. Okay, Movie Maker is like an easier version of Adobe Premiere, which we will use in the next couple weeks, but for today we're going to use Movie Maker. Now you have a couple options on how to get your files in here. You can just click in this big white spot, figure out where you saved it, which most of you will probably be your downloads folder. I put mine on my desktop. There's some softball pictures. I'll pretend those are pictures of my bridge. I click all the ones I want. The order I click them in is the order they're going to appear in here, which is fine for now. We'll end up changing it later anyway. So I hit open, it loads all my pictures. Then you're going to take the video that you did of your bridge actually breaking in class on Monday, and you're going to import that as well. You notice our little icon is gone, so we're going to have to do Add Videos and Photos. I don't think I have any videos saved on my desktop, but you import it the same way. So let's say I pick, there's my video, I hit open, it puts my video in after my pictures. And that's all you have to do for this part today. Once you have these in, you'll go File, Save Project. We don't want to save movie yet because it's not finished, right? So we're going to do Save Project. I'm going to put it on my desktop. You can put it wherever you think it will be safe. I'm going to call it Bridge Video. And it's saving as a Movie Maker project, which is what we want. So we hit Save. It says it's Bridge Video. It's in here. Now, when you put your video in, depending on how long it is, it might take a little bit to import. So this bar might say that it's pending. You'll have to wait for it to finish until all your items are completely like 10 out of 10 or 20 out of 20, whatever you happen to have for your bridge project. Save it, close it, and that's it for this step of your FlexDay work.